since I gave y'all the update about TradingView / Ninja Trader, I'm kind of in a transition, moving. So now that I'm a little bit settled, let me show you guys what we're working with here, okay? Because I managed to get real-time data and my advanced trading features activated. We were able to get a deposit approved, and we have an account balance. And yes, that is only $100 in there, okay? The goal, I kind of want to challenge myself to turn this 100 into 1,000. Alright, I kind of want to make that a challenge. But last time we left off, we were trying to figure out how to connect, get everything connected, right? So we actually, I don't know if I talked about this last time, but I got quite a few updates for you, okay? So hopefully we can cover them all. But first, what we're looking at here is we're currently in micro E-mini S&P 500, all right, the MES. This is the most current contract according to TradingView. One exclamation is the most recent contract, all right? So we are in April, so this should be an April contract. Now, let me zoom in a little bit so I can show you guys, because our candles are a little bit different, or a lot bit different, okay? I think I went over this last time, but in case I didn't, let me show you guys, okay? So, as you guys know, we trade in Cherry Blossom. We have our Cherry Blossom theme. And as I was doing my research, I came across another Japanese style that we can incorporate with our Cherry Blossom theme here, right? So these Japanese candles are called Heikin Ashi candles here, okay? You can find these over here, specifically in TradingView, okay? You have your bars, candles, da-da-da, and then if you scroll down, you have Heikin Ashi candles. Now, what a Heikin Ashi candle is, it is the price average of the current price, right? So if we zoom in a little bit, we can see that the price average is about 68.15. If I go over to TradingView, let me see if I can get into my chart. I was able to get into here, activate all the real-time market data, and I was not able to exactly transfer our chart, liquidation rules, thanks. I was not able to exactly transfer over the chart, but we did get the same color scheme, color theme going. So yes, we were able to change the colors. The colors on our mobile, however, are still we're still figuring that out. Okay. So here we are. In Ninja Trader. Alright, now Ninja Trader, we still have our regular candles, and as you can see, the charts are completely different here, okay? So currently in the 5-minute time frame, we have a mini downtrend right now, okay? But if we go over here to our Heikin Ashi in our 5-minute time frame, we have quite a large uptrend right now here, okay? Now currently our price is kind of resisting here, so yeah, our price doesn't seem to want to cross too much over this current price, which is 68.18, 17.18, right? Now, Heikin Ashi candles are my new favorite because they are a price average. They are the average price of our OHLC. Our OHLC is our open, high, low, and close. Excuse me. So we're gonna have our candles are gonna be based off of price movement of the average price in our OHLC. Okay. Now, I was in a process of trying to figure out how to chart on TradingView and take a trade on NinjaTrader, because what was I saying? I got distracted myself. Because something about the real-time data, right? Are these Heikin Ashi? I think this is actually are my Heikin Ashi candles. Hold on, y'all. Because the way that, I think these are my Heikin Ashi candles. I don't know, I wonder why it's reading differently. But okay, so look, right? So based off of Heikin Ashi candles tells you it's going to color code your charts, right? So any upward price movement, all the candles are going to remain the same. You don't see any mix of colors. If there's a downward price, all the colors are going to be the same. All right. And I love these because you can, it'll tell you, my biggest problem was the entry and exit, right? With the regular candles, I was having a problem with telling when exactly do I enter and exit. And with Heikin Ashi candles, as long as you are using your moving averages and your volume to tell you, really all you need is your 21 moving average SMA and a zoom out, and a wick, and a candle that has no wick at the top or bottom, right? So this will show you, this will indicate that price is going to consistently be moving down. All right, from this candle with no wick at the bottom, we can see that our price is going to consistently move down, as well as here, slight movement, but no wick at the bottom, and our price is moving up. Okay, so that's what we have for that. I'm still trying to decide if I want to take an actual trade on NinjaTrader, because they have these cool ATM, the way that they do the ATM. Okay, yeah. When they do the ATM here, they allow you to, I have to play around with this. I still have to play around with this. But the ATM, in order to set up your stop loss, you would just change like you would in TradingView. So I would do 6. I forgot what my levels were. Make some shit up. Okay, 6 to 10, right? Probably don't want that large. Right, so we're still trying to decide if we want to take. There's a couple things that I'm trying to slow down here, right? Because now that we're actually funded, because that we have our strategy, we have our candles, our entry and exit markers, we have our funded account, we have our real-time data. What I want to on TradingView have a consistent couple of weeks where I'm in the green, where I consistently take trades where I'm in the green. I also, because after I just moved, I want to consistently be on here during trade hours. Back on the East Coast, it was 9:30 to 11. On the I guess we're in the South now. In Houston, where its time zone is at 8:30. All right, so 8:30 to 11 to 10:30. I don't know. We'll see. But prices really slowed down, and that's why I wanted to kind of get our movement so early, because we're kind of slowing down now. But okay, so the next step, that's the one step. I want to practice continue getting consistent trades on TradingView paper trading. 2, I want to take trades, potentially take some of those trades to grow our $100 account to $1,000 account. And I also want to apply for our prop firm evaluation. Okay, I also want to do all of that and continuing to train in order to prepare for our prop firm evaluation. Okay, now y'all should know how to change the candles. We're going over a lot, so hopefully y'all are keeping up. Okay, so y'all should know how to change the candles here. I showed y'all here, and you just select Heikin Ashi. If you want to change your colors, you just literally tap over, double click the candle, and it'll pull up when you can change your your body, your border, and your wick, right? I like to maintain our downward trends in the red and our upward trends in the pink. Okay, and then you also want to make sure that if you are using TradingView, that you select real prices on price scale instead of the Heikin Ashi price, okay? Because this will move you a little bit closer to the actual price of the market, like I said, 68.13, as opposed to that average price of the open, high, low, close. Okay, so that's that. Now if we go over to NinjaTrader, let me see if I remember how to do it. I think we were just playing around with this, y'all. Oh, there it is. Okay, so you're just gonna zoom in and double click your candle, right? And you can change up here. Now this is only available on NinjaTrader web, or like online. I have not figured it out. I don't think it's possible on mobile yet, which sucks because yeah. Alright, so we're gonna change them to Heikin Ashi candles, 24-hour time frame. I don't know what that's about. Okay, but then like I said, we're gonna maintain our body up wicks, pink, our body downs, a little darker red, and then I don't know what that is, neutral colors. All right, we got buy orders, sell orders. Do I want that orange? Maybe yellow, like a golden. Yeah, cause bitch we golden, like Oshun. Yes, I like that. Okay, and when I save that. What was that? I just seen something else. Trade lines. I don't know what that is. Okay, but that's how you change your candles on NinjaTrader. Okay. Now I wish there was a way to. I'm gonna have to play around some more, and I might just come back and show y'all how to get this shit on mobile. Because why y'all playing ninjas? Alright, we got some news. Iran to approach peace talks with US. Oil prices remain volatile despite our US-Iran ceasefire deal. This war is so funny. Alright, let's see what's going on up here. Okay. And honestly, there's no real movement for us right now. Let's see. I do want to let y'all know that we are connected to NinjaTrader and TradingView. I'm going to sign in. already trying to pull up something. She's like, she waiting for me. Like, she know what's good, right? And then we're gonna come down here and we see that we're active. We're totally active, okay? Got our account balance, da 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 da. Now, as far as actually taking a trade, I'm still a scared, okay? Like I said, I'm still gonna take trades on our paper trading account, but I'm happy that everything's connected now. Wish I could still kind of demo trade, but yeah. I'm going to try. I know the things move so fast. We'll see. I'm gonna try to if I see an A plus setup on Ninja Trader, if I see an A+ setup, I'm gonna try to take it on my Ninja Trader. I might try to take one contract on a paper trade and then try to do another one on a Ninja Trade. But I don't know, because I still have to figure out. Once we get into the flow of it, I might start taking trades on mobile, because the interface on mobile is so simple, and I'm honestly really like their kind of ATM feature. And I like it a lot. But we'll play around with it, because I mean, our stop loss and stuff, you're able to do that here as well. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that we're good, we're connected. Yeah, that we were able to figure it out. That we're figuring it out, we're moving along, right? So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for popping your cherry with me. If you have any further questions, make sure to check the links in my description. I'm not here to teach you guys future. I'm just sharing my journey so that you can learn along with me. Alright, make sure to follow any of my other accounts, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.